Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. It's December 2022, and I'm heading to Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm taking a flight. It's a nonstop from Bradley. Bradley is located in Windsor Locks, Connecticut, the state that I actually reside in. Yes, I actually do have a house. I know I'm always traveling. Today we're going to be flying with Breeze. Breeze is new to me. I have never flown with them before. Breeze is a new airline as well, so I'm very excited to go check it out. Here is a look at the nicest seats. Upon booking, they ask if you want nice, nicer, or nicest. I'm traveling with my husband, Kelly. We decided to go with the nice. You know, it's the cheapest option. It's like half the price. But it was in the back of the plane. And the good thing for us is the plane back there wasn't that busy at all. So we were able to move our seats and stretch out. The plane was new and sparkling clean. And one thing I noticed when we were boarding is they had like classical music playing. It was very calming. And they had these like little extras, like a place to put your cell phone so you could watch your device, you know, with things that you download. The food is not free. There is food options and drink options, and they come around quite often, but you have to pay for it. There is no TV or games or internet on the Breeze airline. Okay, it's time for us to take off. I can assure you this will be the fastest flight you ever take to Las Vegas. We're approaching the Rocky Mountains. You can see the little snow caps over there. Really, really cool stuff. It's a beautiful ride. It really is. I have had a lot of people ask me about how I choose my airlines and air flights. I don't have any loyalty to any airline in particular. I do prefer flying out of Bradley just because it's easy and it's easy to park. It's easy for me to get a ride. And if I don't have a ride, I could park there very cheap. I like nonstop. I don't like to worry about the plane being late and me missing another flight. And to find the rates that I find, I'm very flexible. I go when the flight is cheapest. I check daily. I know it's a lot for people, but it's something I do when I wake up in the middle of the night. You know, I check the airlines and see what the prices are. And then when I find that $19 flight, I book it. And that's when we go. And just like that, we're in Las Vegas. Thank you for taking the flight with me. Here's a look at the nicer and nicest seats. They're 2 and 2. So there's more room in between passengers and a little more room to stretch out as well. And now we're at the Las Vegas airport. We have to now go find our luggage and figure out how we're going to get to the Strip, to where we're staying. We're staying at the Westin our first night. We are going to be here for 14 days and have a number of different hotels we're going to be visiting in different areas of Las Vegas. So I decided not only to do resort tours and airport tours like I normally do, I figured I'd try to like complicate things for myself even further and add more videos. We're going to be doing daily video diaries. This being my first video, it's a little new, a little scary, but you know, if you don't change, you don't grow. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time. And if you are already a subscriber of mine, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Now we have to go retrieve our luggage. We only brought one bag for many reasons, because it's cheaper, obviously, and it's just less to lug around. We're going to be moving hotels so many times, and there's a lot of times that there's a little gap between hotels, so, you know, having less luggage is better. So we just packed what we absolutely needed. We decided to take a cab. There's also Uber options. You could get a limo, you could take a bus, but we went for the easiest option, which the cabs are right there. We are going to be staying at the Westin our first night. I just published a full video of the Westin tour if you want to see more of this hotel. I booked this hotel because I flew in on a Saturday night. So with the money I saved from the flight, I don't want to have to spend so much money on a hotel, because the price for hotel rooms in Las Vegas on the weekends, the price blows up. So I used my Marriott Bonvoy points to book this room. So the room was complimentary. I just had to pay the resort fee. It was a king room. It wasn't a suite or anything, but it was very big. That was a look at the pool. The bed was super comfy. It was amazing. I did not want to get up the next day. Pillows, even better. Pillows are beautiful. The room itself didn't really feel like remodeled, but it was very updated. It had all the, the bells and whistles as far as like the plugs and the lighting and all the stuff we need for technology now. They had cookies and cupcakes when you checked in. I thought that was a really nice touch. It was really cool. The Westin is non-smoking and pet friendly. Now we're going to go check out the pool. One unique thing about the Westin pool area is it's open till 8 o'clock. That is very special for Las Vegas. Usually they close the pools early. They want you in the casino. But this is not a casino resort. There is no casino here. It is cold. It's like 50 degrees. For me, it's not, devastating because I'm from Connecticut. But the locals here are freezing. But the pool was heated. It was open. There just wasn't anybody here. It is currently today, when I'm voicing over this video, December 14th. It seems to be a very good time to come to Las Vegas if you don't like crowds. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of conventions and things going on around here. So, and everything's beautiful. I mean, the extra, Christmas lights on top of all the lights that there are in general. It's just a magical time to come to Las Vegas. And the rooms are so cheap right now. Excellent. Except for the weekends. You have to watch the weekends. But if you could travel during the week like I do, it's great. Now it's time to go explore. We're taking a walk now to the Linq Promenade. The Westin is not on the main strip, but it is walkable. You can see right there's Paris, there's Bally's, and back of that is the Bellagio. This Battistas Italian restaurant, we're going to go there later. Next to that, they have discount liquor where they have dollar beers, like it's a bar and a casino. It's a very cool place. We're going to go check that out later. But right now, we're going to go through the Linq Promenade. If you're new to Las Vegas, the Linq Promenade is an open-air shopping and restaurant extravaganza. It's really cool. It has kind of like a Disney Springs kind of vibe. It was decorated for Christmas. It was just beautiful. It is in between the hotels of the Linq and the Flamingo, and it's also very close to the monorail. So if you're staying somewhere that's close to the monorail station, this is very easy to access. One of the main attractions at the Linq Promenade is the High Roller. It is the biggest Ferris wheel ever. I haven't been on it personally myself. I'm hoping maybe to actually do that on this 14-day trip. Who knows? I'm afraid of heights, but you know what? If you don't conquer your fears, you go nowhere in life. That's part of the reason why I started this channel, to help me conquer my own fears. Fears of traveling, fears of sometimes leaving the house. Negative self-talk and anxiety can emotionally devastate you. I know, the struggle is real. Traveling has been fantastic for me mentally, so like I said, I'm hoping to inspire others. Okay, that's enough of all the emotional stuff. We're going to go to dinner now. We're going to go check out Battistas. There was a line out the door. I had reservations for 5 when it opened. Thank God, because there was, like I said, a huge line. This place is on fire. I chose this restaurant because it was in walking distance to Westin where we were staying. And I can't lie, it said that they gave you free wine with your meal. It was a great deal. I mean, who doesn't love a great deal in Las Vegas? Because if you're a Las Vegas regular, you know how expensive it is to drink here. Upon walking in the place, I absolutely loved it. I fell in love. There was all these different little rooms, and it was so cozy. The menu was pretty simple, but it was great. There was a lot of different options. And the wine they put right on your table. As soon as you sit down, you get crafts of wine. And it's all complimentary. Not only was it cozy, but it was very dark and eclectic. The decor in there was just very interesting. There was just so much to look at. All dinners come with a salad. I had salami on top and a vinaigrette kind of dressing, and also came with a huge basket of garlic bread.
Yeah. Anyway, we're having a blast, and so far the place is great. The service is fabulous. My company is absolutely fabulous.
And beautiful. Okay, bye.
Yeah, right now we're having a really good time.
Yeah.
Spinach.
This is angel hair.
Oh, yeah. Chicken.
And you got angel hair on yours.
I forgot what it's called.
To finish off your meal, you also receive a complimentary hot drink. It's kind of in between a hot cocoa and a cappuccino. And then this happened.
Birthday to you. Thank you.
Fucking old, that's how
Oh, this is fun.
We just loved our visit to Battista's Hole in the Wall. It is so cool. I think it's just one of those places you either get it or you don't. But we loved it. We loved the charm and the eclectic decor and how nice the service was. The food was good. It wasn't like, oh my God, this is the most best thing I've ever had, but it was good and plentiful, and the free wine. And it was just cool. Like, you sat around all these people and everybody was just chatty, and it was kind of like, you know, going to a little party, sort of. It was fun. It was a great first day. Loved it. Okay, we're back at Westin now. It's probably like 8 o'clock, but we flew today, so it's really like probably 12 or 1 o'clock. Need to get some sleep power. We have a big day tomorrow. We're going to be going to Fremont Street. We're going to be checking out the Main Street Station Hotel. So look out for some more fun videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Be well to yourself and be kind to others and get your butt to Vegas. Safe travels to you.